Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel. If you're wondering how you can see your card number on your Google Pay account, well, I'm gonna walk you through it. Now, it is very important to understand that Google Pay primarily uses virtual account numbers for security reasons. This means that the actual card number of a physical credit or debit card is masked. Therefore, you won't typically see your full physical card number within the Google Pay app. However, you can access certain related information. You see, when you add a card to Google Pay, it is tokenized. This means Google Pay creates a virtual account number that is used for transactions instead of your real card number. This is to add a layer of security to it. But if you want to find the related card information, open your Google Wallet. You see, Google Pay has transitioned to Google Wallet in many regions. So if you see Google Wallet in your region, open the Google Wallet app on your device. Then, at the top of the app, tap the payment card you're interested in. You might need to swipe to find it. At the bottom of the card screen, tap Details. Here you will find the virtual account number. This is the number used for Google Pay transactions. It's also common to see the last 4 digits of the virtual card number displayed within transaction details. It's important for you to note that the use of virtual account numbers is a security measure to protect your actual card details. For security reasons, Google Pay does not display your full physical card number, just the last 4 digits. If you need your full physical card number, you should refer to your physical card or contact your card issuer, that is your bank. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more.